वेलकम माय यूज ऑफ माय चैनल वन स्टेप विषय इंग्लिश एंड संस्कृत ग्रामर में आपका स्वागत है। वेलकम टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश एंड संस्कृत ग्रामर वन स्टेप विषय। So continuing with our English topic, and in our English topic we will continue our English grammar, that is article, and in article we will continue our determiner chapter. Okay, so we will now discuss about three article or okay. So what is the use of the article, or you can say what are the rules for using article? What are the rules मतलब नियम, how we use in our day to day life for and the. Okay, so now we will take one example. This is an ink pen. We have already discussed. So this is an ink pen, and we have used here for a singular countable noun. First time we have used for this, first time we have used or talk about something, about something. This is an ink pen, सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन है, एक है, सिंगल है, और जब हम अचानक से टॉक अबाउट something new, something new, first time we will talk something about something, then we will use this and. Okay, and मतलब अचानक से कोई चीज के बारे में हम बताएंगे, वो चीज नया हो जानकारी में, या फिर हम जिस चीज के बारे में बता रहे हो वो चीज आपके लिए नया है, आइदर वो पर्सन हो या वो थिंग हो, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे, हम एंड। यहाँ तक क्लियर होना चाहिए। सो फर्स्ट टाइम वी टॉक्स अबाउट समथिंग, देन वी यूज एंड। फर्स्ट रूल विल बी देयर इज अ रिवर, मतलब वहां एक नदी है। देयर इज अ रिवर, आई हैव अ काऊ। ओके, हम किसी के बारे में बता रहे हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग विच इज न्यू टू यू। ओके, सिंगुलर है, एक है। ओके, देन वी आर यूजिंग अ। सो रूल नंबर 1, when we use a and for singular countable noun, we use article a and when it is about something or you can say a and article and tells us when article a and n tell us about something new. Okay, when we tell us or when we tell or discuss about something new, when we use a and we use we use an for singular countable noun when article an tells us about something new. We use article an for singular countable noun. Article an tells us about something new. Okay. Or we use an for singular countable noun when we discuss or tell something. We use an for singular countable noun when we discuss or tell something about person or thing. Something new about person or thing. So हम क्या समझे? When we use an, जब हम an कब यूज करते हैं सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ? जब हम डिस्कस व्हेन वी डिस्कस और टेल समथिंग अबाउट समथिंग न्यू अबाउट, मतलब कुछ नयापन हम आपको बता रहे हैं, नया है आपके लिए पर्सन और थिंग. तो ये हो गया आपका. उसी तरह we will take example. I have a horse. She has an umbrella. There is a big house. Okay, simple sentence, but use of a and an. Okay, so this is the rule 1. Now moving to the next rule. That is rule 2. Rule 2. We use an for or you can say we use an as singular countable noun as a class of things. Means we use an article as singular countable noun as a class of things. Okay. Class of things means a group of person, animal or things. मतलब एक ग्रुप होना चाहिए. क्लास है इंडिकेट अबाउट समथिंग इन अ ग्रुप. ओके, इकट्ठे बहुत सारे लोग, जानवर या कोई चीज के बारे में जब हम इंडिकेट करेंगे तो हम यहाँ पर सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन यूज करेंगे. I have a bundle of books. Okay, so here I have used bundle of books. Horse, a horse is a animal. Okay, so now moving to the next rule, that we use an article as a single countable noun as a class of things, indicating about some group of class or things. So I have example. I have a bundle of books. A horse is an animal. Okay. So animal में तो बहुत सारे एनिमल हैं, मगर we are indicating about horse. A bundle of books. Then animal or dog is a faithful animal. मतलब जितने भी प्रजाति हैं डॉग के, वो क्या है, वो फेथफुल है। मगर हम एक ही डॉग को रिलेट करते हुए सभी के बारे में क्या बताएंगे, डॉग इज अ फेथफुल एनिमल। ओके, और डॉग इज अ फेथफुल एनिमल। सो सेकंड रूल is about class or group of things. When we talk about group of things, animal or person, but we are using a and how you are using. Then third rule, when we use a and for indicating profession or complement. Okay, then we are using a and an article. How? Example, Sohan is an engineer. Here I am using an. Then Mohit is an actor. Now, third example, she is a doctor. So, when we talk about something related to the profession or related to the complement, we use a and an article. Okay, now how we will use Sohan is an engineer, Mohit is an actor, she is a doctor, or these three examples are related to the profession. Okay, so now this is the easiest rule of article related to the article a and an. Now, rule number 4. When we use a and for measurement, okay, we use a and an article for measurement. Okay, how? I have 1,000 rupees. Then she has a bundle of books, or you can say bundle of here pens. Okay, then I have 1,000 rupees. She has a bundle of books. So now I have 1,000 rupees. Here I have used 1,000. and use a. A is the article, 1000 is rupees का मेजरमेंट कितना है तो 1000 है. 1 की जगह I have used a. Okay. Then she has a dozen of eggs. मतलब एक डजन में तो 12 एग्स है, मगर यहाँ I have used 12 की जगह I have used a dozen of eggs. So here a and dozen. This is measurement, this is article. So I have taken 2 examples related to the rule number 4. Now rule number 5. Rule number 5. When we use an article for indicating one, ठीक है, एक को इंडिकेट करने के लिए one thing or person. She has a pencil. Ramu has a book. Or she has a dog. Means here what we are saying that एक ही पेंसिल है, एक ही बुक है और एक ही डॉग है. वन इंडिकेट, एक को इंडिकेट करने के लिए one thing or person. Okay, only one. When we are talking about only one person or thing, we use a and an article. Okay, now this is rule number 5. Now rule number 6. We use a an article for indicating numerical or numbers. When we indicate numbers, when we talk about number, when we use a and an article for indicating numbers, like a half dozen or a dozen. Okay, she has a dozen of eggs. Then she has, or we can use other example like she has 1/4. She has a 1/4, or you can say half liter. She has a half liter of milk. So what we are seeing in this two example that we are talking about, she has a dozen of egg. एक dozen में 12 अंडा, तो यहाँ पर हम 12 की जगह what we are using dozen, and for dozen we are using a. She has a half liter of milk. So we are indicating about the number or the numericals, how you use numerical as using a and an article. Okay, how we are talking about numericals or number, or we use how we use a and article and an article in this. Okay, now moving to the next rule, that is 6 number, that is when we use a and an for a proper singular countable noun. Okay, when we use a and an for a proper singular countable, proper here is not common. Here we are talking about proper. First was related to the common dog, horse, animal. They are the example of common noun. Then this is proper noun. Virat Kohli was a captain of Indian cricket team. ओके सो एक ही पर्सन है, एक ही प्रॉपर नाउन है, एक ही इंसान है, वन पर्सन, वन प्रॉपर पर्सन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, दैट इज विराट कोहली वाज अ कैप्टन ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम। मतलब विराट कोहली जो था वही एक पर्सन था जो कैप्टन था। कौन था? एक ही पर्सन के बारे में बहुत सारे विराट कोहली तो वहाँ नहीं थे, जो एक इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं, तो वो होगा हमारा rule number 6 when we use a and n for proper singular countable noun. He is going to a city in the झारखंड। ओके तो एक ही सिटी है झारखंड में है, उसमें वो वहां जा रहा है, इज गोइंग टू अ सिटी इन द झारखंड। तो एक इंडिकेट करने के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? एक पर्सन, एक प्रॉपर जगह, एक पर्सन, एक प्रॉपर प्लेस, तो वी आर यूजिंग अ। ओके नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट रूल, दैट इज so we have learned about 6-7 rules related to the use of article a and an. Now moving to the next point or topic, that is, I have already told you that there are 26 alphabet in our English then language, 26 alphabet and 21 vowel and 5 vowel and 21 consonant. So 5 vowel and 21 consonant equal to 26. Okay. Then 5 vowel A, I, E, O and U. Rest all are consonant. उसकी इसके अलावा और सब क्या है? वो consonant है। Then how you are using? I have already discussed about this in our previous session. Okay. Now use of H, where H is silent and where H is pronounced. Okay. Pronounced. Okay. मतलब कहाँ पर H जो है वो साइलेंट है, जो हम, और कहाँ पे वो प्रोनाउंस होता है। Hat, when we write or when we speak hat, then it is clear that we are using H alphabet, so it is pronounced. Then hour is pronounced or not? This is the question. Hour is, when we are writing hour, we use H first alphabet as hour, but when we pronounced hour, we used H as silent. Here H is silent. So here hat is clearly and pronounced that hat. Hour. As a layman, you cannot, और you can say this, जिनको जानकारी नहीं है स्पेलिंग की, इंग्लिश की, तो वो तो आवर को आवर भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, मैंने तो बोला आवर, तो मैं बोली जब आवर तो वो आवर भी हो सकता है, मगर जिनको है नॉलेज कि आवर का स्पेलिंग क्या होगा, वो एच होगा. तो ये एच जो है यहाँ पर साइलेंट है, मतलब वो छुपा हुआ है. ठीक है, कहाँ छुपा हुआ है? हमारे बोलचाल या वाणी में, मतलब H is silent. Okay, so honor here also H is silent. Here we can say, take example of horse. Here is H is not silent, here H is pronounced. So these are some example related to the use of vowel and consonant, how you use H. Then and a horse and hour. So these are the use of an article, how we are using an article in different consonant where H is silent and where H is pronounced. Okay, here we are using a where H is pronounced, and here we are using an where H is silent. Okay, so these are something, these rules are something new which you have to remember. Now in the next session, we will talk about how an will not use how. Means no use of an. In which case we are not using an article. How we will not use an article, and when we will not use an article. Okay. So till this we are concluding our session, ending our session. Revise the topic which I am giving and learn all the rules related to the article chapter. And I am giving you all the exercise related to the different chapter we are going to